Okay, so here's a trick. I believe it was founded by the awesome magician, Harry Houdini. So this trick is make a spectator. Doesn't matter what card it is. Choose any card. I'm not doing the tutorial because I don't give out my tutorials anymore. Sorry, I know it will get me more subscribers and stuff. I just don't like giving out my tutorials because I don't want everybody to know how to do all my tricks. I might give out a couple more tutorials, but once I start getting really, really good at my tricks, I will stop giving out tutorials. So your card is 3 of spades. So you take 3 of spades, put it on the top of the deck. Okay, I'm just gonna shuffle it around a little bit. Okay, normally I'd probably ask the spectator when they wanted me to stop, but I'll just shuffle a little more since this is on camera. Okay, there. So you got your cards. Your cards in the middle of the deck. Okay, so I'm gonna put a rubber band around it. Okay, that is not tight, so I'll flip it. Okay, so once you have it flipped over, now it's tighter. It's flipped over. Like, flipped it like that, and I just flipped it around like that and stuff. Makes it tighter. Well, it does make it tight for me. I don't know if it will work for other people. It just tends to make it tighter for me. I just like it tighter that way. So you're going to take the top card off of the deck. Okay, I'm gonna take the top card off of the deck, which is right now the the 5 of clubs. So you're going to oh wait, God, is that your card? Don't think it's not the card. Well, that's how it will be performed. Is that your card? That's how you perform it. So you're just going to open up the deck, put your card in it. It's kind of pretty tight with the rubber band. Okay, so it's in, now there's a way that I can actually get the deck to, like, I guess you could say, spit out your card. So here it is. Come on. Okay, there. If you didn't just see that, I'll try to do it again. I don't know if I'll be able to do it. Okay, so okay, I'm going to take the deck, and you can see there's a card sticking out of it right here. Going to pull that card out, and that's your card. Sometimes if you do the trick right, it actually like comes out faster, or it actually comes out of the deck, but at that time just had it sticking out of the deck like that. Yeah, bye.